Today I will demonstrate how to create a prediction pool on Bitredict. We use a unique contrarian strategy, where creators bet against their own predictions. If you think something is unlikely to happen, you stake money against it, essentially selling that prediction. If you are right and it does not happen, you keep your stake and you win. If you are wrong and it does happen, bettors who disagreed with you and bought the prediction win your stake. This model lets creators monetize their views, while the market challenges those views in a transparent way. First, I navigate to the pool creation page. Here you can see a simple 3-step flow: category selection, market details, and deploy. I am selecting football as the category. This filters the list to show available fixtures from different leagues that I can create a market on. Now I search for a specific match. I select Colombia versus Australia. This fixture shows all the available markets I can create. For example, moneyline, over or under goals, both teams to score, and more. I choose the market over 3.5 goals. This means we are looking at whether the match will have more than 3.5 goals scored in total. But remember, as a creator using the contrarian strategy, I am actually betting against this happening. Here is where the contrarian logic really comes in. I am taking the stance that over 3.5 goals will not happen. I am staking my money against that outcome. If the match ends with 3 goals or fewer, I win. If it ends with 4 goals or more, bettors who took the opposite side win my stake. This is how Bitredict lets creators express and monetize their contrarian view. Next, I set the odds at 2.7 times. The odds define how much bettors can win if they are right and I am wrong, and how much total exposure I am offering to the other side of the trade. Higher odds mean I am offering a bigger potential payout to bettors who challenge my view, and they also influence how much they can stake against me. Now I choose the currency for this pool. I select BITR, which is the utility token of the platform. There is also STT, the native coin of the Somnia network, which we use on testnet. Now I set my creator stake to 5,000 BITR. This is the amount I am risking with my contrarian view. If I am wrong and over 3.5 goals happens, bettors who took the opposite side will share this 5,000 BITR stake proportionally based on their bets. Here I can fine-tune a few important settings. I can set a maximum bet per user to limit individual exposure. I can configure when betting closes and when the event ends. I can also optionally add a boost tier to increase the pool's visibility in the app. These controls let me manage risk and discoverability for my pool. Now I review the summary screen. Here I can see all the details in one place: the match, Colombia versus Australia, my contrarian stance, the odds I am offering, my creator stake, and the full cost breakdown, including the 50 BITR creation fee. Everything looks correct, so I am ready to deploy. Now I deploy this pool to the blockchain. This triggers an on-chain transaction that creates the pool smart contract and sets the BITR token approval needed for the contract to move funds. I confirm the transactions in my wallet. I am now approving the transactions in my wallet. This approves the BITR spending limit for the pool, pays the creation fee, and locks my creator stake into the pool contract. Once these approvals go through, the pool will be live. The transaction is now being confirmed on the blockchain. Once it is confirmed, the pool becomes visible to all users, and bettors can challenge my contrarian view by betting that over 3.5 goals will happen. At this point, the market is open and trading can begin. Perfect. The pool has been created successfully. I can see the transaction hash, and the pool is now live. I can view it on the markets page and share it with others who might want to bet against my position. This makes it easy to bring liquidity and attention to my contrarian view. Let me highlight a few key points. First, the contrarian strategy. As a creator, you are betting against your own prediction. You win when your predicted outcome does not happen. Bettors win when they disagree with you, and the outcome does happen. Second, the on-chain process. The pool is created as a smart contract on the blockchain. Your stake is locked in the contract until the event is resolved. All transactions are transparent and immutable. Third, the benefits for creators. You monetize your opinions and analysis. You set the odds based on your confidence and desired risk. And you can attract liquidity providers and bettors who want to challenge your view. That is how pool creation works on Bitredict. The contrarian model lets creators profit from their unique perspectives, while giving bettors opportunities to challenge those views in a transparent, on-chain market. Thank you for watching.